Now it's time to get creating.
On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. Like I love making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again.
Hello everyone. I was recently asked why I need to work outside my house, all the way down by the lake. Though mind-blowing, I will entertain any question to ensure that I address every concern you may have to ensure that you have an informed experience as you work on the road again, or at home. Again, this is about giving you back some control of your life. My short answer was, because I should be able to, if I choose to. Let's look at a few benefits to be derived from working in the yard. There are several reasons why you might want to work outside of the house. 1. Change of environment. Sometimes, working in the same environment day after day can become monotonous and draining. Working outside of the house can provide a change of scenery that can help to boost your creativity and productivity. 2. Improved focus. Working in a different environment can help you to focus better on your work, especially if your home is full of distractions. 3. Improved health. Spending time outside can provide several health benefits, including increased exposure to natural light, fresh air, and greenery. This can help to boost your mood, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. 4. Increased flexibility. Working outside of the house can provide more flexibility in terms of where and when you work. This can be especially helpful if you have other commitments, such as caring for children or elderly family members. 5. Networking opportunities. Working outside of the house can provide opportunities to network with other professionals, especially if you choose to work in a shared workspace or a coffee shop. This can help you to build valuable connections and expand your professional network. 6. Increased productivity. If you work from home or need to use your Wi-Fi for business purposes, boosting your Wi-Fi signal outside can help you to be more productive by allowing you to work from different areas of your property. 7. Entertainment. If you like to entertain outdoors, having a strong Wi-Fi signal can allow you to stream music, videos, or movies to your outdoor entertainment area. 8. Security. Boosting your Wi-Fi signal outside can help to improve the security of your home by enabling you to use Wi-Fi-enabled security cameras or motion sensors to monitor your property from anywhere. 9. Improved coverage. If you have a large property, such as a large yard or garden, you may need to boost your Wi-Fi signal to ensure that you have a strong signal throughout your property. To accomplish this, you may need a bit of help from one of the devices we will discuss for a bit next. 1. Directional antennas. These antennas focus the signal in a specific direction, which can be helpful if you want to boost the signal to a specific area outside your house. Yagi antennas and panel antennas are examples of directional antennas. The width of the signal is not as wide as an omnidirectional antenna, but with the energy focused primarily in one relative direction, you will get much greater distance. 2. Omnidirectional antennas. These antennas send the signal in all directions, which can be helpful if you want to boost the signal to a wider area outside your house. Dipole antennas and vertical collinear antennas are examples of omnidirectional antennas. 3. High gain antennas. These antennas have a higher gain, i.e., amplification, than standard antennas, which can help to boost the signal strength. High-gain antennas can be either directional or omnidirectional. 4. Wi-Fi repeaters. These devices pick up the signal from your Wi-Fi router and retransmit it at a higher power, effectively extending the range of your Wi-Fi network. They can be helpful if you need to cover a large area outside your house. 5. The type of external boosting antenna that would be best for you depends on several factors, such as the distance between your Wi-Fi router and the area where you want to boost the signal, the type of obstacles in the way, and the level of interference in your area. Here are some options to consider. It's important to note that different antennas have different strengths and limitations, and what works best for one person may not work as well for another. It's a good idea to research your options and consult with a professional if you're not sure which type of antenna would be best for your specific situation. 1. Wavelink AC 1200. This is a high-power outdoor weatherproof Wi-Fi range extender / access point / router / mesh with passive PoE, dual band 2.4 GHz 300 megabits per second plus 5.8 GHz 867 megabits per second, 4x7 decibel detachable omnidirectional antenna. 2. AC 1200 outdoor Wi-Fi extender weatherproof. It acts as a Wi-Fi booster and signal amplifier, internet booster, wireless bridge, dual band frequency Wi-Fi repeater, covers up to at least 3,440 square feet and supports up to 30 devices. 3. Netgear Orbi outdoor satellite Wi-Fi extender, RBS50Y. It's just another great option you would love. 4. TP-Link E8P610 Outdoor has the following features: Omada True Wi-Fi 6AX 1800 Gigabit Outdoor Access Point, Mesh, Seamless Roaming, MU-MIMO, PoE Plus Powered, IP67, Multiple SDN Controller, Remote and App Control. For sure there are others, but these just seem to do an exceptional job, and they will not leave you broke. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.